Okay guys, 2018 Honda Accord. We need to replace your engine filter. This is a 2.0 liter engine. It's a turbo. Mostly they're the same. So what I like to do is I like to kind of, the keys off, engines off. This little clip right here, I like to remove this right here. Let's take off this, because this will get stretched, so be careful. You don't have to do all this, but I will recommend to be safe. So squeeze on this tab here, squeeze on this tab and pull out the connector. It only goes in one way, you can't go wrong. Pop this. Let's pop. Use your finger, you don't need to use that. This is just a clip or tool here that pops the clips and everything. So your filter housing here is kind of like, has like a little legs that go in. This side is kind of broken there, so this should come out. You have to kind of lift it, pull it forward towards you. I'm doing this with one hand, and I should be able to do this with one hand. It's kind of jammed in there. There's no retainers back here, so they're just kind of stuck into the housing there. So this will come out. When you have other people work in your car, things are gonna go. You see that stuff? It's not me. It was already broken before I removed it. This filter's never been changed. So get yourself a new filter. Here's the filter. Okay, so this is what this baby look like. Let's compare. And here's the new one. Premium Guard is the filter brand, and there's a part number right there. So this is what this baby look like. So your filter is gonna be very simple to change. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put this filter in. So this filter is gonna go this little notch facing outward here. Okay, so it's gonna go just like that. You see the notch right there, because we have this little guy right here, so that notch has to match with that. So pretty much, let me show you on this one. So these little guys right here is inward. This is the bottom of it, and this is that corner right over here. Okay, it only gonna go that way. Okay, it will not fit any other direction. Okay, now we're gonna get, you have to get the arms and legs in there. Once they're in, it should be very simple. This retainer here, you should be able to lift this up. It's hard to show on the camera, but there you go. Let's show this one. It's much easier. That's all you're gonna do. Okay, now this connector is only gonna go one way, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for the click. There you go, small little snap click, and stick that back in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Within 2 minutes you should be able to change this filter. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.